Welcome, and follow me is a REALME GT 60, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can find it you could use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, I can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. So you'll have an insert area, which is part of this cutout. You want to push the pin in. And when you do so, as you can see, it pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. And you want to clip the card in there. Make sure it's clipped in all the way. Now this tray is kind of garbage, so it just kind of clips out the card. Oh, there we go, now it's holding. As you can see, it should be laying flush on the tray. From there, insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. Oh, there we go. It's confirming my SIM card pin. Unlocks it, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.